driving a toaster down the highway going 90 miles per hour. On our way to pick up something. If you already saw probably our clickbait page, you'll probably know it's an Evo. Evo 8 2004. Seems like it's very clean, 140K. Be straight up with you guys, we're paying 12 grand for it. Seems like a solid deal, so we'll check it out. If it's worth it, we're gonna make it happen.
We might even be able to get it for less than 12 grand if we can pick any flaws.
Alright guys, we're off the highway. It's probably a lot more quieter now. About a few minutes away. Starting to get a little nervous here. Hopefully this thing's not a shit box. Dave, how you feeling about this thing?
I think I might need another coffee.
Yeah, I know, right? I might need a Red Bull just to, you know, knock the kid down a couple hundred more.
Don't smile, Jib. They're gonna know we want the fucking thing really bad. We gotta pretend we don't like this car.
Yeah, I see a dent in the quarter panel.
It's all good.
Alright guys, bag is secured. Me and Dave
Took some
negotiating. We actually ended up down the road like a mile, and I was like, you know, I'll text him one more time, see if we can seal the deal. End up getting this thing. It needs some work for sure. It's misfiring, you know, she's got a couple dings and dents and stuff, but overall pretty solid. And we paid $9,600
bucks.
I mean, pretty fun to run and drive an Evo for that.
Clean too, no rust.
Yeah, so I think we got a good starting point. Definitely gonna take a little bit more work than we expected, but I think, you know, this is a no-brainer.
The thing is, it's all repairable as long as the title says so.
Yeah.
It's not a flood car. It's not a whatever. This thing is mint.
Clean title.
It's a clean title. It's a good bones. You know what I mean?
Yep. So
you can paint it if you have to, but we don't have to.
I'm gonna drive it back. Hope for the best. Dave, stay behind me. And
did you get the tow rope?
Huh? Yeah. All right, guys, we're on the road. Made it about like 10 miles now. So far, so good. I want to jinx myself, but there's some flat spots in the tires from sitting. Needs alignment because I just had a new subframe put in. Check engine lights on for O2 sensor. Definitely has a little breakup on the boost. I'm guessing it's coil pack or spark plug. We'll get to that, but besides that, honestly, it's a solid little driver. I think we got a really good deal here for $9,600 bucks. I mean, I don't even find blown up Evos for that much money, so I think we did good. It's got 143K on it. We Carfaxed it. It's got super clean Carfax, no accidents. 3 owners. One of the owner basically doing 95% of the miles. And supposedly he used to drive back and forth from Texas, which makes sense because it was registered in Texas for that amount of time. Also makes sense because it is pretty rust free. Honestly, I've seen way worse Evos. Definitely not perfect, but for the most part, it's a solid little chassis. So stay tuned. Hopefully I make it home. I'll update you guys. Not too fucking shabby though, man.
I forgot to check the most important part. It's fine. It's good.
What, the quarters?
No, the rust that accumulates in there in the corner.
Oh yeah, no, I already checked that.
She's a ripper.
You're up at good work.
No, we got a certified unit.
Yeah,
oh, dude, it's got the fucking NKs with no curb rash on them. Those are worth fucking probably $2 grand.
No,
probably not.
$800 man.
Well, it's staying on the car, so it makes the car worth more $2 grand than the original
good though, man. It honestly sounds good, runs good.
Yeah.
We got a little runner here. It is home safe. Super happy about this thing. It runs and drives super good. Just needs a couple of odds and ends. It's gonna be a nice flip. Kind of sucks that I need to sell it because honestly I kind of fell in love with it. But that's how she goes. We're gonna detail it, clean it up, do like some brakes, a couple, you know, things to just make it drivable. Maybe do, it's got a little dent right here on the quarter. Maybe do like paintless dent removal if we can. Just to try to get to look as perfect as possible. I don't even know if I've really even shown this car on the channel. Picked up a Speed 6 too, 98,000 miles on it. Needed a timing chain that I did, and I kind of been just adding a couple bolt-ons and stuff like that. The turbo's smoking right now, so I'm actually upgrading the turbo. This is gonna kind of be my summer beater. I paid $1,500 for it. Probably into it right now for like 25. Probably need like another 500 bucks or so to get it running perfect, and I'll be cruising in style. I wish I was cruising in this one, but we'll have some good content coming with this car. Comment what you think we should do to it, and what you think it's worth in its condition right now. And after, you know, we detail it, make sure that there's no check engine lights, make sure it drives down the road straight, new tires. Yeah, so stay tuned.